Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about functions. Function is a block of code which can be called repeatedly. So now let's define functions. We have one web page which is student information form. Now I want to design function on when I click that function must be called. So that function retrieve the value of the page which is entered in the form. So to define a function I will give first access specifier, after that return type, and then function name which is retrieve, and you can give optional arguments. In this example I want to just assign values to the label which is entered in the text boxes. So lbl name.text is equal to txt name.text, txt address.text is equal to lbl address.text is equal to txt address.text. Now we have assigned values to the label. Now we have to call this method. So to call this method, just write function name which is retrieve and braces. Now let's define another function called clear, which is also public. In clear function we will clear the contents of the text box. So txt standard.text is equal to null value txt gen.text is equal to null value, and all other text box we will assign null values, so it will clear the text boxes. Now go to the web form which is a design page and add new one button. Set its property to button clear and set it text property to clear. Now on the clear button, the click event, we will call clear function. Now let's see output. First we are entering different details in the form. We are submitting and we can see we got the output into the labels. Now I want to create the data which is entered in the text box. So I will click on the clear button and data will be cleared. So this way we can define the functions. We can also define parameterized function and function with return type. So this is the funda of C#. Thank you.